This video will guide you through the process of replacing the oxygen sensors on a 2003 Toyota Corolla L4, 1.8 liters. There are typically two oxygen sensors on the 2003 Toyota Corolla, one upstream and one downstream of the catalytic converter. Begin with the removal process. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work. And always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. 1. Remove the upstream oxygen sensor. Remove the exhaust manifold heat shield bolts. Disconnect the heated upstream oxygen sensor electrical connector. Use an oxygen sensor wrench to loosen and remove the upstream oxygen sensor. 2. Remove downstream oxygen sensor. Remove carpet retainer clip and fold back passenger side carpet to access oxygen sensor connector. Disconnect the downstream oxygen sensor connector. Use a lift to raise vehicle to access height. Use an oxygen sensor wrench to loosen and remove the downstream oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter. Finish by installing the oxygen sensors. 1. Install new downstream oxygen sensor. Use an oxygen sensor wrench to install the new downstream oxygen sensor. Tighten the sensor to 33 foot-pounds. Reconnect the downstream oxygen sensor connector. After installing the oxygen sensor, make sure that the sensor wire is not twisted. Reinstall the passenger side carpet. Tuck the carpet under the center console and install the carpet retainer clip. 2. Install new upstream oxygen sensor. Use an oxygen sensor wrench to install the new upstream oxygen sensor. Tighten the sensor to 33 foot-pounds. Install the exhaust manifold heat shield bolts. Reconnect the upstream oxygen sensor connector. This concludes the procedure for replacing the oxygen sensors on a 2003 Toyota Corolla L4, 1.8 liters. Thank you for watching.